Aloha, it's Tani here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make pork hash, or also known as shumai. Growing up in Hawaii, you will definitely have come across pork hash. It is so popular in Hawaii that even 7-Eleven sells it at the front register. This is a simple recipe on how to make this wonderful mini dumplings. Here are the following ingredients. First, add all of the ingredients to a bowl. Ground pork, minced shrimp until it becomes paste-like, oyster sauce, minced water chestnuts, egg, sesame oil, shoyu, green onions, pepper, and salt. Mix it well so the ingredients are nicely combined. Hold one wrapper on the palm of the hand and scoop in about 1 tablespoon of the filling. Then bring the sides up to the top. If the meat starts to overfill, shove it back down. Don't seal off the top. Place it in the steamer lined with parchment paper. Steam it over boiling water for 30 minutes. In the meantime, put together the sauce. Mix together 1 tablespoon of shoyu and half a tablespoon of Chinese hot mustard. Warning, this sauce will definitely clear your sinus. After it has finished cooking, remove the steamer from the heat. Carefully open the basket and serve it immediately with the hot mustard sauce. If you enjoyed this recipe, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell notification so you don't miss any upcoming recipes. Mahalo!